Have you ever connected your laptop to Wi-Fi but forgot the password later when you need it for your phone or to share it with a friend? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to find saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 11, Windows 10 or any older version of Windows. And the best part is you can see the passwords for both your currently connected network and any Wi-Fi networks you have connected to in the past. First, let's see how to do it in Windows 11. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the left-hand side menu, select Network and Internet. Now click on Wi-Fi and then choose Manage Known Networks. Here you'll see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your PC has ever connected to. Click on the one you need. Next to Wi-Fi Security, click the View button and instantly your Wi-Fi password will be revealed. If you don't see Wi-Fi security key, don't worry. In some versions of Windows 11, you'll see it written as Wi-Fi network password. Just click the Show button here and your Wi-Fi password will appear. That was method 1. But if you are using Windows 10 or any other older version of Windows, or if you want to see the password of a Wi-Fi network you connected to earlier, there's another way. Method 2. Command prompt. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type CMD and hit enter to open command prompt. Now type this command. This will display a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your PC has ever connected to. To view the password of a specific network, type this. Just replace Wi-Fi name with the network name from the list and send it. Now scroll down and under the key content section, you'll see the Wi-Fi password. So that's how you can find Wi-Fi passwords in Windows, whether it's Windows 11, 10 or any older version, and whether it's your current network or the one you connected to in the past. Super useful, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and share it with your friends who always forget their Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching.